talk about Singapore International Commercial Ports and its non-commercial port solution to port congestion problems. And my teammate called me and Zan. Okay, so content. And number one, of course, Singapore is the easiest container transshipment hub and the longest public port in the world. And the Port of Singapore is terminals located in Chipanga, Cape
因为做报告是趣味、文献参考，还有就是研究模型，你去想的事情。但是做报告像我们的就是可能
Jerome and Hurst, they can accommodate various types of vessels such as container ships, bulk carrier, rural ships, cargo freighters, cluster and lighters. And the terminals are managed by two commercial port operators. Number one is PSA, number two is Jurong Port. PSA Corporation Limited operates 5 container terminals at Tangier, Hagar, Port, Bani, Tangier, and the Hearst, as one seamless and integrated facility is newest terminal. The newest terminal is Hearst Port, officially opened in September 2022, operating 3 berths and manages the major share of container handling in Singapore. And Jurong Port is a multiple purpose port and the main general and bulk cargo and gateway for Singapore and the region. The port handles steel products and cement project cargo and grouper select among others. Using an extensive network of pipelines and conveyor systems for speedily and environment-friendly discharge and loading. With its multi-purpose capabilities, Jurong Port is able to handle different types of cargo efficiently and seamlessly at the same terminal. And PSA Singapore container facilities are as follows. Container berths have 55. Ton length have 10,000 over 10,015 meter. Area 600 hectares. Max depth 16 meter. And crane 190. And design capacity 3,500 million feet. And Jurong Port have 32 berths and berth length is 5.6 km and maximum vessel depth is 15.7 meter and maximum vessel size is 150 million tons deadweight DWT and area is 127 hectare free trade zone and 28 hectare non-free trade zone. And the warehouse facilities have 170,000 meters square. And the next one what I'm talking about. With connection to 600 ports globally, shippers have access to daily shipment to every major port in the world, operating all around here. In 2023, PSA Singapore handled 38 million 20-foot equivalent unit of containers. And the acreage area in port include the eastern sector, in Jurong sector, and the western sector. The public landing areas is West Coast Pier and Marina South Pier and Changi Point Fever Terminal have dining outlet shops. Immigration and federal self-service in Singapore, or pivotal hub and in global trade that stands as the world's largest transshipment port, has recently been facing several congestion. This situation has accelerated due to several interconnected factors affect business worldwide, and according to expert might soon impact and consumer as well. And the main reason is attack in Red Sea from October 2023 to March 2024. More than 60 vessels attack in Red Sea. To avoid attack, hundreds of commercial vessels have been rerouted to sail around the South Africa. Dealing with longer transit times. Transit times on roads between Asia and Europe have increased by 39% to Mediterranean and 15% to Northern Europe, causing significant delay. The rerouting of vessels via to Cape of Good Hope has disrupted global port and schedule, causing of scheduled arrival and vessel bunching effect since early 2024. Singapore has experienced a notable rise in vessel arrival. And skipping regional port to manage delays, some carriers are skipping less busy ports like Portland in Malaysia and redirecting more traffic to Singapore and further strengthening at its facilities and increase container throughput. In 2024, Singapore's container throughput surged by 8.8% and reached 13.4 million tons. The increased demand means more containers per vessel call, resulting in longer port stay and delays as ship arrive off schedule. And training port capacity. Analytica report up to 45 million tons for shipping, with vessel waiting up to 7 days for berth, and compared to normal half-day wait. And the peak season has started earlier than usual this year, driving increased demand for goods from China to US and Europe, and further by the rush to secure inventory before new tariffs on Chinese products are implemented. This early peak season port congestion, a small cargo is put in a shorter time frame. Another three is solution. The ports of Singapore try to assist in easing the global shipping chart by allowing shipping lines to load and unload cargo at port, and by offer one-stop or catching service, which consists of refueling or crew change. By offering a one-stop and catch-up service, which is a new digital question solution that allows shippers to book quickly and easier from anywhere according to the line, internet, and this helps shipping line and the customer globally to have an effective door-to-door service, reducing the shipping line's extent of delays. Number three is the Port of Singapore Authority assisted the global supply chain by reopening 8 berths at Airport Terminal and 18,000 ground south for about 65,000 shipping containers. The Port of Singapore has taken several steps to alleviate the congestion, including taking on the labor from non-traditional containers like Thailand or India, and has reactivated some of inactive capacity in Keppel and Branding terminals. PSA also has demerged and detention fee for high diverting containers, which is another mode used to help congestion, but can also have a negative impact on the economy. Okay, let's talk about the technology solution. Another one is autonomous guide vehicles. PSA Singapore and the Agency for Science, Technology and Research Institute High Performance Computing have signed a research an agreement to jointly develop a large-scale fleet and manager solution for automatic guide vehicles to move containers efficiently and securely in the next generation port at Third Port will be the largest fully automatic container terminal in a single location with an annual handling capacity of 65 million tons. The next one is next generation vessel traffic management. And the Port of Future needs vessel management system of equal capabilities that can keep sea traffic safe and efficient. And this is where the upcoming next generation vessel traffic management system and developed by Singapore Maritime Port Authority will play a crucial role. And number three is digital port. And digital port is streamlined vessels in immigration and port housing, cleanliness across multiple agencies into a single application by consolidating 16 separate fronts and ship master and ship agents from more than 550 shipping companies can now submit, track, and receive approval for arriving and departing ships through the portal. As a result, industry can save up to 100,000 hours per year. Okay, this is port community system. The port community system of Singapore started in 1984 when the Port of Singapore Authority, Maritime and Port Authority, introduced its business-to-business port logistics, port service, and portant has become extended BCS solution in embedding a single window environment and efficiency of port logistics and container handling service. To seamless integration and short system facilitating enhanced communication and coordination between vessels and port facilities, and which allows secure and reliable data transfer between ship and ship to ship and ship to shore, and a one-stop data sharing platform that enables secure data exchange to catalyze development of innovation solutions for the maritime industry, and a digital platform that means to promote great system-to-system interoperability in global maritime transport chain through developing maritime-related specification of common data and standards, and application programming interfacing. And a review of Singapore port current smart port policies, implementation, and effectiveness analyzed in response to port congestion issues, and AI enhanced docking. MPA sharing a new system to help ensure that ships depart from arrive Singapore port on time. The authority used AI to provide recommendation for most efficient distribution of acreage space where ship can be docked. And number 2 is Maritime Data Hub. MPA has rolled out hub of maritime data, including areas such animal habitat and beyond the city records, mapping of the ocean flow and information about Singapore coast. The hub can provide information in front of 2D and 3D image. This data can then be used in public select project relating to Singapore waters. For example, this information can help ship navigate the country waters, improve maritime safety, and highlight this job. Space Data Hub contains information regarding Singapore's coastline, which can help check for future challenges like climate change or marine science research and desert response are also potential use from this system, and the data is currently only accessible to government agents, but there are plans to extend to academic research in institution and industry in the future. Okay, this is our report.
Okay, so I would like to ask a question with you because you just mentioned about you have
Our question is
AI's enhanced system. It's like AI enhanced docking. I mean, in Taiwan sometimes we face some problem because some shipping companies they like to use or follow rules of this kind of AI enhanced docking system because they just like to negotiation with the port authority, and sometimes say, oh, I cannot because we have different issues, so problem. So that means for the port, sometimes in Taiwan, in Kaohsiung Port or Gyeong Port, you face similar problem. That means shipping companies sometimes they cannot keep the time to berthing the berths, to anchor the berths, to follow the AI enhanced docking. So you are port authority of Kaohsiung Port. How to encourage the shipping company to use this kind of AI enhanced docking system? How?
maybe we have to through the government to push these rules or the policy to the Kaohsiung Port.
Yeah.
And we can use all of the ship companies or terminal handling companies or the port company can have a cooperation with this, and through the government have pushed this policy, and maybe they can do it AI enhanced docking and more smoothly.
Yes, I know. So sir, if you can encourage them, I mean, how to encourage them to use this kind of system? That's maybe you can offer some incentive to encourage them, or offer some funding, encourage them to use this kind of system because they will make it more facility to you speak up your anchoring time, right?
Yeah.
So incentive also very important, and also if you can offer some punishment will be better too.
No punishment.
Okay.
Not Taiwan, not China.
Yes, Taiwan is not easy. So Penda, if you are the port authority, how to encourage the shipping company to use this kind of AI enhanced docking system? Do you have any idea?
So I know have some student have the research about the ETA adjust. Yeah, if the port authority he can open this data for free, then download and you can check in from your captain or your company. He also can give you your idea and support you monthly adjust your your better ship the ETA and your speed to maybe you need so waiting too longer in the anchorage. Maybe I'm not so sure. Maybe like the same function use the AI.
I know, sir. AI system you can use it like. But the problem is some SIM company don't follow your rule.
Yes. Yes.
Because they have different constitutive factor.
Yes.
How about you? You are working for the steel company. Do you think so? The ship can anchor all the time?
Anchor on time?
Yeah, I think so. You can follow the AI and enhanced docking system, so they follow rule what time exactly follow exact time.
No problem, because for example, Kaohsiung have some partnership or working ship, different type of ship. They were inbound, outbound, so maybe the schedule will be delayed.
Okay.
Yes. So in that case, for example, I've been working before the schedule is when the ship is inbound, they have some connection with the other ship.
Yeah.
The ship stop on the port gate. So all the crew, all the truck, all the waiting for the other ship, just watching it and stop it. Nothing you can do.
Okay. It's stuck in there. So
Yeah.
I think if you the ship cannot keep a good time to approaching the person, that means you make it so you're still the company waiting, right?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. Report. Yeah.